G'day model builders, this is RAF Aircraft Grey-Green, the interior colour used on Spitfires, Hurricanes and most RAF aircraft during the Second World War. It's not a particularly striking colour, but it's one of the most important, because on an aircraft like this, especially with an open canopy, the cockpit is one of the first places your eye goes, and if the colour looks off, it stands out straight away. So getting this right makes a big difference. To get a reliable starting point, I'm working from established colour references and converting that into a digital value that I can use for mixing. In this case, that comes from a published source that provides a consistent representation of the colour, and from there, I convert that into a paint recipe. The system I'm using is based on 5 paints: cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and white, all set up to the same consistency so the mixes are repeatable. If you want to see how that system works in detail, the video is on the channel, but for this one, we'll go straight to the mix. This recipe makes approximately 18 grams of paint, about the same as a standard hobby paint bottle. Working from the largest to smallest component, titanium white is the base of the mix. Then yellow, then magenta, a small amount of cyan. Each component is added by weight directly into the mixing bottle, which keeps everything consistent and easy to repeat. Once it's mixed, it's ready to use straight away. For this build, I applied it to the cockpit components before assembly, and it goes down smoothly whether you're brushing or airbrushing. It has good coverage, but more importantly, it has the right look. That slightly muted functional tone that works so well with an RAF interior. And once you add a wash and a bit of dry brushing, the detail really starts to come through. And that's the key with this colour. It's not meant to stand out, it's meant to support everything else. So subtlety matters more than contrast. And that's a repeatable mix for RAF Aircraft Grey-Green. If you want to see this colour used on a full build, the Spitfire is on the channel. And if you want to see how this mixing system works from start to finish, that video is there as well. I'll show you how it's done.